This is the two boxes I found inside the box. Let's just open it and see what is inside the box. Wow, this looks really very cute. Yeah, actually you can keep this one in like on the table because it has a grip, so it will stick on the table or wherever you keep, so it will not move from the surface. And if you want to attach it on the wall or somewhere else, you can use this. Like you have to drill into the wall, and they will provide all the accessories which is required for this installation. And this is the cable, and this is the charger. And this camera is compatible with Alexa and Google. You can see here, it is mentioned over here. And if you want to insert the memory card, here is the slot I can show to you. See, this is the memory card slot. Let's set up the camera now. This is how it looks on the screen. And you got so many features here like motion detection, motion tracking. If you enable the motion tracking, when an object moves, it will follow the object.